Today I'm going to try to see if we can clean out these headlights a little bit. Doesn't even look as bad in the video, but they're pretty foggy. So I got this new product for headlights. I got that from Princess Auto. So I'm going to see how it looks. In the picture it looks like it works pretty good, but we'll see. So let's see what we have in here. Looks like a cloth with a couple gloves. Some instructions. And the stuff that you're actually going to be wiping on the headlights. Okay, so the first thing you got to do is you got to take a wet cloth and you got to wet it down. Once you've wet it down, you can see that it kind of looks clear, but it only looks clear like that until you dry it off. So then you take the green side and you just give it a sanding. So start on one edge, and you'll see that it starts coming off. It starts looking like all the oxidation comes off in this like brown color. So you just want to keep going until things start to feel smoother and you stop getting that oxidation as much. And you kind of have to go over it a few times. And then what I do, just keep washing it off to see where you're at. And repeating the process a few times. It's not going to come out perfect, but it'll look a lot better than it did before. And you can start to feel that it's a little bit less resistance when you're polishing. Wipe it down one more time. And then you use the other side to give it another sanding. And dry it off with the included microfiber cloth. Okay, so the last step is take the package of wipes, open it up. It gives you one wipe here, and it says to just wipe once and then to leave it for 24 hours. So you can see the difference there. Looks a lot better. I'll do the other one. So yeah, like I say, looking brand new. Or if not, way better than they did before. Maybe not brand new, but pretty happy with that product. If you like the channel, or if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll be releasing more how-to videos and different DIY things that I've figured out along the way.